So in this video, what I'm going to be talking about is the Kind Healthy Grains Dark Chocolate Chunk. And it's like, like a healthy bar. It's gluten-free, no genetically engineered ingredients, and no like fake stuff, so-called things. And it has 5 super grains. It's Millet. I actually have just Millet, which I was actually going to talk about. And it's 5 bars in this box, and this is what it looks like with the wrapper and ingredients you can see and pronounce. And this is what it looks like, the bar. So it definitely has like that, that crunchy granola bar taste to it. It is a little sweet, that dark chocolate, which is actually good for you. So just some information about Kind Healthy Grains, the company as well. So Kind products, they're made from nutritionally dense ingredients, and meaning like they just only have like whole ingredients, like nothing fake, just pure and real. So from like whole nuts to fruits to whole grains, such like that. And actually this company was founded in 2004, Lubrinsky, and that's what the founder was on the back. I noticed that his name was on the back, so I was like, let me go ahead and talk about him for a minute. So he's the founder of Kind's healthy brand, and the company is based in New York City, New York. It actually reached $1 million of sales in the first year. I was like, man, that's that's amazing. That's, oh my gosh. Okay. And how Kind's Healthy Grains came all about, Daniel, of course, in 2003, happy with unhealthy or appetizing snacking choices and concerned about healthier choices, as far as like concerned about healthier food habits or just foods that's going in your body. And I can understand that. He was just pretty much unhappy, like how the food choices and options that a lot of people are eating and a lot of people can choose from. And so he wanted to make a change within that. He launched he launched the Kind snacks, representing, as you see, Kind. It was pretty much representing like to be kind to your body, be kind to your taste buds, and to be kind to your world. So that's pretty much where the kindness, came from. So I thought like, wow, like for someone that was that concerned, that's like a life-changing thing, and to help other people as well. And they have other grain products that you can use from, as far as Kind Healthy Grains. Like you don't necessarily have to get the dark chocolate chunk. It's just a preference, what I personally like. But they have other options as well. And in the wrapper, I forgot to tell you, there's actually comes with like, I don't know, at first it looks like it's just one big bar, but when you open it, it's like broken down into like two sections. I don't know, it looked like it was 2, and that wrapper it was 2, but this comes in this one big bar like this, and that's 5 of them. Let me show you. Yeah, gluten-free with 18g of whole grains per bar. It definitely has, like I said before earlier, it has like a sweet taste to it. And it's due to the dark chocolate, and you can just see the different grains. And I think it said it had sea salt in it, and you can see the dark chocolate chunks. And it's a reasonable price too. Not complaining about this bar at all. So yeah, I mean, if you're not crazy about the dark chocolate one, or want to find out more, other ones, I did have ones with fruits and stuff, so. But again, this is the Kind Healthy Grains Dark Chocolate Chunk.